Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up Lyft account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch up a Lyft application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Lyft application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to create the account, tap on this option, Get Started, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll have to enter your phone number. So simply provide your phone number. First of all, also make sure to select the country code. Tap on the field of country code and make sure to select the country for yourself. After doing that, enter your phone number. Now after you enter the phone number, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number. Check for the code in your messages and enter that code over here. Now after you enter your code, you can see over here you'll have to choose the Google account to sign in to your account. Simply tap on the account that you would like to use. If it is not listed over here, tap on the option none of the above and you'll be able to sign into your Google account. So simply choose the Google account over here. Now after doing that, you can see over here your first name and last name will automatically be written. Tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after doing that, you'll have to enter your email. You can see over here it will already be written. If you selected the Google account, simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Before you proceed, you'll have to read the terms of service. So simply read the terms of service that you can see right over here in this interface. After you read all this, tap on this option I agree that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply tap on the option next. Now allow the notifications. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll have to select the payment method. You'll be able to find various options like credit or debit card, PayPal, Lyft Cash, etc. Simply tap on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for credit or debit card, you'll have to enter the card information over here. Enter the card number. Make sure to enter the valid card number. After doing that, also enter the expiry date over here. Now also enter the CVV. Now enter the zip code. Now after you do all that, tap on the save option that you can see on the screen and the payment method will be saved. After that, simply follow through the prompts and your account will easily be created. So that is how you sign up Lyft account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.